Hey guys, so it's been a little while in the making, but we finally have a jump seat version done for the 2014 to 2018 GM trucks. Obviously we want to get rid of this. We've got this beautiful cutout, but no place to charge the phone. So yeah, you'll need some basic tools, but essentially what's going to happen is we have a HyperVolt kit here, the jump seat version, which is this guy here, and we're gonna install this, bang, right in there. So it's a super simple install. First thing we're gonna do is pop this back cover off, and you just take a pry tool, and once you get it popped, you'll have to push the little lid down here and just get it over. Pump, this comes down. And then we are going to take this piece here off. So we got just these 4 Phillips here. So we're just gonna unscrew these. So now this guy, just be gentle, but you're gonna just pull up on here. Back slides out, and then you can just, it has these 2 little hooks at the front, so you gotta be careful not to break these little guys, because they kind of go in first, kind of under that lip, and seats down. So just be careful you're not reaping on that. So you'll just pop the back up and just weasel it out, just like so. And then you can pop this rubber mat out. So we'll just give that a little bit of a wipe, like so. Now, with these guys, we have the new unit, the 12-volt adapter. I know you guys want a direct hardwire, but for the time being, this is the best we have. And we have a couple M4 screws. So we're gonna take these out. And you'll notice that this middle hole is the one we want. Now it's really close, so you might have to just take a little Dremel, notch it out, just because the 25 watt, the plug is a little bit bigger. So what we have is just a little stepper bit. This isn't anything that is like detrimental. I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's not like we're drilling in the console, but this little plastic part here, we're just gonna widen that hole. So I'm just gonna, again, there we go, pop the cord through. And yeah, with the cord through, you'll notice that it fits just right. So now with that through, we're just gonna run these 2 little screws with the washers. Other guy right here. You don't need to over tighten these. There's just little heat set inserts in there, so we just want to snug them. Okay, so that's the new part installed. And we're just gonna place this back in here. And I like to run the cord through this channel. So I kind of tuck it underneath, have it sit down, and then we're gonna route it down. So I'm gonna get the 4 screws back in here. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is figure out how much cord I need. Use the 12 volt adapter because charging the 45 or the 25 watt, charging the 25 watt, the fast charger, you're gonna want as much juice as you can get, and the 12 volt is super consistent power. So we're gonna plug that guy in there, and then what I like to do is tuck the cord down in here. So I take my little pry tool and I just kind of stuff it in here. Like so, and then this guy I'm gonna tuck in through here, and I'll take the little wiring we got here and just clean up. Loop it right there. I just kind of stuff it just in there like that, and then feed this guy. Get rid of our nasty little charger here. So yeah, you can see it's super clean. Just coming through here. Everything's hidden. All snaps back together nice. And what we have here is the charger. MagSafe works really nice, charges quick. Yeah, the magnet's really nice, it just locks right in. We've got the raised 3.5 mils for the camera bumps. But yeah, it just slots right on. Charges really nice, works with a lot of cases. As long as the case is MagSafe, yeah, you'll be good to go. So that is the HyperVolt for the jump seat. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions or you're wondering, does it fit my console, just shoot us a picture. You can email support@ChinookAutoSupplies.com. We can pick that up and we can best advise you just to ensure fit if you're not 100% sure. If you have any questions once you get it, reach out and we're happy to help. So enjoy the product and we'll see you in the next one.